Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are just getting started with knitting and you want to learn the very basics, there's a couple of cast on videos on the channel, so if you want to have a look at those in the description below, that'll get you to this point. Today we're going to talk about how to do the knit stitch. So this is a very initial beginner tutorial. What I've done here is I've casted on 20 stitches onto a 6.5mm knitting needle, and we're just using a straight worsted weight yarn. I will link it in the description below if you'd like. It's just a Red Heart Super Saver yarn. So how to do the knit stitch and how to knit in the garter stitch fashion. So that means that we are going to knit all of the rows. Now, as you can see here, each of my loops that go over top are one of our stitches. Holding all the stitches on my left-hand needle. That does mean that this is a right-handed tutorial, but you can easily just reverse everything that I'm saying and do it as a left-handed tutorial as well. For this, we are going to take our empty needle, this right-hand needle here, and we are going to insert it into our first stitch. So what do I mean by that? So we want to, if we loop this one up just a touch, we can see that it is a loop. It goes over our knitting needle, and we're just gonna pull it back a little bit tighter here. So and also you can see that our needles are tapered. So once we bring our stitches up towards the tip of our needle that we're knitting off of, we have some looseness here that you can see in our stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our empty needle and we're going to insert it as a knit stitch. So there's two different ways to do this. One is our knit stitch. We also have a purl stitch, and then you can do each of them through the back loop. Don't worry about that yet. And don't even worry about purl stitching. We'll do that in a future video as well. So we have our tail here down at the bottom. Irrelevant. We're not going to use our tail unless you need to use it to sew something together later. Don't worry about that. This is our working yarn, okay? The part that comes off of our ball is our working yarn, okay? So now we're gonna take our needle here and we're gonna insert it from left to right and front to back, okay? So take your needle. If we go this way, that's gonna be starting a purl stitch, so don't worry about that. We want to go this way, straight towards the right, and just catch this front leg, the front leg of our loop, okay? Now we're gonna take our yarn and we're going to bring it around the back and across and between our needles. Did you see that? All right, let's do that again. So our working yarn, not our tail out of the way. Grab your working yarn, this one here, come around the back and between our two needles. Did you see that? It kind of jumped in the middle there. Hopefully you can see that. All right, and so now we're gonna grab so I hold on to the right needle with my left thumb and middle finger to hold on to everything while I loop my yarn around, okay? So now, hold on to our yarn with our right hand, grab the empty needle that now has the loop in between it and the left hand needle, bring it down, and make sure it's caught on this right hand needle. Draw it up a little bit, and then you can loop this one off of our left hand needle. That's your first knit stitch, okay? So then I like to give a little tug just to make sure everything stays at a good tension, and you'll get to know what that tension is for yourself. It does make a difference with the size of the stitches and the needles you're using and that sort of thing. So as you work, you know, give yourself, say, maybe a scarf or something that you can kind of get used to how these stitches work, and then you'll have a pretty good idea of where to go from here, okay? So let's do this again. So now we're going to bring our needle down to the front, insert it around the far side of our next loop, front to back, right or left to right. Front to back, left to right. So it's poking out straight out the back, basically completely vertically like so, okay? So then I'll hold on to it with my left index and middle finger, or my left thumb and middle finger, and then wrap my yarn around the back like so, and make sure it ends up in between. You can see it here, it's between our stitches like so, and then we're gonna bring our tip down and to the front again, and there's our stitch onto our right needle. That's our knit stitch again, okay? Let's go again. So now I'm holding onto the yarn here with my right hand and my right needle in my hand as well. okay? Like so, all right? So now we're gonna insert our needle again, basically left to right, front to back, and it's gonna end up basically vertically, okay? Now the more stitches we have on the right hand needle, it'll stay more, but those first few stitches, you'll drop them. So hold on to the right hand needle so that they don't fall out, okay? And so now we're gonna bring our yarn around like so, around the back of our needle and then in between, okay? So bring our tip down and through to the front like so, and loop it off, okay? So now we have 3 stitches. There we go, 3 knit stitches, and they don't look like quite like anything here yet, but maybe you can see that center one is getting a little bit of a V here happening in the center, okay? And here in the first stitch as well, you can kind of see that. Let's keep going. We're inserting our needle, wrap it around the back, and bring our loop over and forward, okay? Let's keep going. If you guys need to, go ahead and rewind the video, watch me do it nice and slow again, or, you know, keep watching because we do the same thing every single knit stitch. Looping it around like so. Now we're going to do several rows of knit stitches, and when we knit all the rows, that is called knitting in garter stitch. So it's going to create this great 3D sort of row happening. Each one of those is actually 2 rows. So let's finish off this row and we'll go into the next one and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so here I've done about 3 rows of our knit stitch, and you can see here that we've got this horizontal kind of popping out in a row, nice and reversible. This will be great for like a very, very beginner scarf. So that's our knit stitch. All right, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button below, hit subscribe. We're gonna have our purl stitch video here coming up soon, and we can talk about what are the different things you can do with purl stitches. Really, the sky's the limit when you're doing knits and purls. Just the 2 together. So go ahead, give this one a try, and we will see you in that purl stitch video for step number 2. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time.